Welcome to Spark City, where robots clean your room, food prints itself, and homework still exists. A siren suddenly blares. Robot announcer. Warning! Giant problem detected. The ground shakes. Bumping buildings accidentally. Goliath, deep but silly voice. Hello, tiny humans. I am Goliath 9000. He sneezes. A laser shoots out and melts an ice cream stand. Goliath. Oops. Goliath 9000 was built to protect the city, but no one updated his software. People run around. Citizen. He stepped on my flying taxi. Robot dog. Beep, back, beep. Translation. I'm scared. Goliath. Why is everyone running? I just want a friend. He waves. Buildings bubble. Boom. Got to a small workshop. A clever kid fixes gadgets. Meet David Sparks. 12 years old, small in size, big in brains. David. Giant robot, bad coding, zero friends. Yeah, I can fix that. His tiny robot body pops up. Minibot, probability of success, 12%. David, I like those odds. David opens a drawer of strange gadgets. David, I don't need lasers or rockets. I need brains, courage, and bubblegum. Minibot, bubblegum? David, trust the process. David walks up to Goliath. Everyone gasps. Citizen, that kid is toast. Goliath, looking down. Are you my new mechanic or a snack? David, neither. I'm tech support. Awkward silence. Goliath, I have never had tech support before. Goliath tries to show off. Watch my power move. He trips over his own foot. Boom! David, yep, definitely a software problem. David throws a small glowing chip, like a futuristic slingshot tool. David, uploading update, now. Goliath freezes. Screens flash. Goliath, rebooting. Installing friendship.exe. Everyone watches. Goliath reboots. His eyes turn friendly blue. Goliath, hello, would anyone like a high five? Carefully gives the softest high five ever. Kids cheer. Minibot, probability of success, 100%. City celebrates. Goliath helps rebuild. Citizen, you defeated the giant. David, I didn't defeat him, I fixed him. Goliath, David is my best friend. David blushes. David rides his hoverboard away. Sometimes the biggest problems don't need the biggest strength, just a smart idea and a brave heart. Goliath waves too hard. Wind blows everyone. Goliath, sorry.